Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. As you can see by today's title, we are doing a full review slash wear test slash testing out the brand new Wet n Wild Rebel Rose limited edition collection. I have my box right next to me and I am beyond excited to try this with you guys. I ordered it when I saw that they were releasing it. I was like, what? A new collection? Now, let me tell you guys, I have been a huge fan of Wet n Wild for years and years and years. If you guys go back to my old videos like 2-3 years ago, I used to buy their little collections that they used to release. I used to buy everything and then review it for you guys, and you guys absolutely love that. And look at me now, still reviewing Wet n Wild. I have to say that their game has stepped up from like to over here. So with that said, we're going to be reviewing everything. I'm going to show you guys really quick what the box looks like. This is the box right here. Isn't it just stunning? I am so excited. They also have some skincare products, hence why I'm still a little bit barefaced. So I do not want to chit chat too long. I really want to dive into these products because I am just dying to see how they work. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into the video. So the full collection box includes the Photo Focus Rose Multi-Use Oil, the Photo Focus Rose Toner, Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum, Color Icon Cream Blush, 3 Color Icon Eyeshadow Quads, Perfect Pout Jelly Balm, Perfect Pout Lip Scrub, 2 Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipsticks, and 2 Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Liquid Lipsticks, the Rose Blush Brush, and the Rose Eyeshadow Brush. I'm going to take the toner, which I believe is this one. Yeah, this is the toner. I'm just going to apply the toner all over my skin to see if I have any excess oil or makeup. It does smell like roses, and I don't smell too much like the alcohol scent that some of these toners have. So let's go in with the serum first because I always feel like oil is something that you want to place at the very end. So I'm going to apply the the serum. This one kind of reminds me of the Farsali Unicorn Essence because it has like that pink look to it and it has a little bit of shimmer, but I don't see any shimmer on the skin. Now let's move on to the oil. Oh, I am so obsessed with this packaging, and keep in mind that all this is limited edition. If you guys want to get your hands on any of these products, I highly suggest that you get them now before you can't get them anymore. So really quickly, I am going to exfoliate my lips. I don't want to leave this step till the very end because I want to have my lips nice and moisturized, so I'm going to go in with the little lip scrub. That actually did a pretty good job at exfoliating my lips and like removing any dead skin cells. I'm going to go in really quickly with the balm. Oh, that is so cute. Do you guys see that? Oh, wow. I don't even know. It looks green, but it's not. It's like a black. I don't know. I'm just going to apply this. Ooh. Oh my god. This feels so soft on the lips. It literally just glides on. Oh wow. This is going to moisturize your lips and keep them hydrated. Oh, I love how this feels. Is that tinting my lips? Or is it just me? I feel like it gave some tint to my lips. Yikes. Okay, here we have these little brushes that I'm going to show you guys in just 1 second. I am quickly going to do like my foundation and my concealer, bake, bronze, all that good stuff off camera. Currently baking my nose. If you guys are wondering why it looks white, it's baking. So let's jump into the eyeshadows, guys. I already know what look I am doing. The moment that I saw this eyeshadow little quad, I was like, yes, that is what I'm going to do. So the first one that I'm going to show is the Bed of Roses little eyeshadow quad. This is what it looks like. The detail on this is just beyond stunning. This is the one that I'm going to use today. It is House of Thorns. Oh, I gagged when I saw this. Look at this color up here. We also have here Secret Garden Rendezvous, which is the last little eyeshadow quad. This one is a little bit more toned down. This is a matte purple and a matte cranberry with a little like shimmer shade, and then it's a matte color, like a sand color, but it does have some glitter in there. And then the last little square pan looking thing is this cream blush. Now this one transforms to a berry color. It is black, which is pretty cool. I'm a little bit nervous to use this because I don't know how it's gonna look on my skin, but we're gonna try it. Let's just get it over with and apply the blush. I am taking the blush brush, which is this one right here. Literally when I saw it, all I could think about was Beauty and the Beast. Don't you guys agree? Like, look at how beautiful the packaging is. It's just so creative, so pretty. I'm going to pop it onto, oh, okay, that is really pink. Yikes. It definitely transforms, if you guys can see that. Okay, we're just gonna let the blush be because I am way too excited to jump into these little eyeshadow quads. I'm quickly going to apply my transitional shade, and I think I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is called Oatmeal Tan by Coastal Scents. Now I'm gonna go into the House of Thorns palette, and we're just gonna pick it up with a brush, straight on with the brush. Okay. So what did you guys do for Valentine's? We ended up going to Red Lobster. There's not a lot of like cool restaurants to go out here in Salt Lake City. We were all hungry. We weren't trying to break our heads, trying to figure out what new restaurant to try. So we just went to Red Lobster. And I mean, you can never go wrong with Red Lobster. It's bomb. I think I want to mix in a little bit of this shade because it's a little darker than that one right there, the red one. So I'm just going to take, oh yeah, that is deep. I'm just going to take that into the crease and then go back with that red and blend that out. I'm going to grab a little bit of that black shade. It looks really intense, so I'm just going to, look at that. Look at that pigment. I'm going to grab the tiniest amount. Oh yeah, that is pigmented. And I'm just going to keep this very low. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and then we can come back and apply this gorgeous shade that I'm just dying to try. And into the exciting part, digging into this beautiful emerald green. Oh my God. Do you guys see this? Oh my gatos. Whether you are a makeup collector, a makeup lover, whatever it is, this collection is amazing, and you guys have to get your hands on at least the little eyeshadow quads. I think these are definitely something worth to keep. I'm going to do my eyes off camera really quickly. We can come back and try on the glosses and the liquid lipstick. Let's try on the liquid lipsticks. Now, for me personally, are any of these shades something that I would wear? Probably not. I think the only shade that I realistically will wear is this one, which is called Kiss of Death. This one's very similar to a shade that they already have. So let's swatch really quickly Petal Poison. There you have Petal Poison. The next color we have here is called Bud Romance. This one is more of a true purple. It is a gloss, so it is definitely a little bit more wearable. Deviant Damsel, which is a pretty deep purple. There you have it, you guys. This is my look that I came up with this collection. The eye is exactly what I envisioned when I saw this palette. This lipstick is just absolutely gorgeous. I think they did an amazing job overall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite product was from this collection, mine was definitely this eyeshadow palette. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Would it be a Karina video if I didn't drop something, really? Okay guys, I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.